So in this problem, we're given this equation that has these x terms with negative exponents. And the key step in this problem is to rewrite this to a form that's familiar. And you can start by saying x to the minus 2 is 1 over x squared. And what you'll find that this is actually a hidden quadratic. And to get to that, you multiply both sides by x squared. So you have to multiply each term by x squared. I'll actually do those steps, but if you're very comfortable with it, you can go do shortcut here. So that would be just 12, and then this would be 5x equal to 2x squared. Now I'm going to turn this into a quadratic, move these terms to the other side, and I can factor this. So I need a product of 24, actually minus with two terms. So the middle terms would split into 8x and 8x and 3x, because 8 times 3 is 24, and we get the negative sign because one is plus, one, the other is negative. Then I factor common terms from the first two. So that becomes x plus 4. And then again, I get x plus 4. So I get 2x minus 3 times x plus 4 equal to 0. So the possible values of x are minus 4 when you equate that to 0, and x is equal to 3 over 2. So if you look at these two answers, only 3 over 2 is here. So the answer is B. Now the other approach would be to actually substitute these numbers, but that's going to be difficult because we have all these fractions and negatives to contend with. But I'll just do it quickly for the correct answer. So x to the minus 2. So if this is x, x to the minus 2 would be this flipped and squared. So it would be 2 over 3 squared. And then x to the minus 1 would be just 2/3. And then that's 4 over 9. And this is 10 over 3. And we're assessing is that equal to 2. So that's 3 times 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So that's 16 over 3 minus 10 over 3, which is 6 over 3, which is indeed 2. So that, again, confirms that the answer is B. Now, this looks somewhat easy because we kind of knew the answer here. But if you had to kind of plug these other numbers, it would be time-consuming. But if you can't approach it this way, then the only option would be to substitute these numbers. So to recap, the answer is B.